Good morning, Dana Lynn. This is the first training video for the K2 blog system that you'll be using for your trip. So just watch this video and it will teach you how to create an entry, an item, a blog page, whatever you want to call it, as a single entry for the website. Alright, so first thing I'm going to want you to do is go in. Of course, you're going to go to lovingtheplanet/administrator, right? You're going to log on to the web page, and for you, of course, it's DL at Kayla M. You're going to log in. Remember that. Alright, now on your entry it comes up with a sub. I have it set up with a K2 menu right off the bat, so you don't even have to go into the menus. You can just go straight into add a new item. Alright, now this is where it all happens. I have it all set up fairly straightforward, so I'll show you how to get into the categories and things later, but let's just keep it simple. This is how you simply will create a new item for your K2 blog. So you're going to give it a title. We're going to call it Blog Day 1. It'll automatically put an alias in. Tags is if you wish to give it search references. So that would mean if this is going to be a blog about Himalayan coconuts, you could type in Himalayan coconuts or coconut specialty, or it'll just allow people, if they use the search on the website, to get to your topic specifically easier. So it's up to you if you do put something in there. Featured just means it'll have a featured tag up in the top right corner. It'll say featured. It just gives it a little bit if it's an important or pronounced item. You can also sort it by featured items later when you display in subcategories or in a listing style. You can do it by featured items, but generally I don't think you'll be using it, especially for the blog. Here is the categories, and this is important in that all of the settings and layout for your item is determined by the category. So if it's you, you're going to, of course, at the very bottom here go to Dana Lynn's blog, and if it's Garner, he's of course going to click on Garner's blog, and that way it'll automatically sort it appropriately. So since this is for Dana Lynn, we're just going to click on Dana Lynn. Alright, now on the right hand side here you've got author and publishing. I want you to go to author. Of course, make sure it's Dana Lynn as the author, and you don't have to have an alias. It's just for other things. Access level is public. Everything else can be left the same. As I've preset all the options, you won't need to get into any of these options here. So at this point, what you're going to do is enter your content. Today went and found the secret to life, right, etc. This content can be in-depth, it can be short, whatever you want, it doesn't really matter. I'm also going to show you in this one how you would add an image or an image gallery. Actually, I'll leave the gallery off at this point. We're just going to go with an image, fairly straightforward. Alright, so if you wish to add an image, this will add it to the preview on the preview page of all of your items, or give a larger picture availability if they want to go into the article or item and see more. So if you click on image, you're going to browse the images. I'm just going to use a sample one off of my server here. Alright, so where's the LTP trip? Alright, so let's say the picture is this Canadian passport. Alright, So there it is, it's in there, and it's as simple as that. Make sure that the article is published. If you click yes there, you're simply going to hit apply will save it and keep you on the page. Save will save and close the article, and save a new will save the article and bring up a new one. If you're going to do several articles at a time, that's a great way to do it. So what I'm just going to do is hit save. And now what that's going to do is automatically convert the picture to what we need, and then it brings up a list of the other items. It just automatically goes to that page. So the easiest thing for us to do now is to quickly have a look at what it's done for us here. Alright. Okay, so I have it now just set as Journey. It may be something different later on as we discuss, but let's just look at Dana Lynn's blog. Now keep in mind I have some other text. Okay, as you can see, the most recent item goes first in Dana Lynn's blog. That's blog day here. It shows the image that we put in first and then the text. Here we've only got a small amount of text, but you know, you'll put your full article in here and it'll only give you a couple of sentences. And it'll say read more right here. So since there's not, and it all fits in here, you just click you can click on the image that will give the full article, or you can the reader can click the read more as well, as you can see. Now from here, I mean, that's just this picture of a passport, but in a detailed picture, this, you know, in a different shape, it'll come up a lot easier to see. Gives the reader the ability to see detailed images. Obviously, you know, faces and signs and stuff will be easily read here in the flyout. And that is how you enter and publish an item or blog entry. More to come. Stay tuned.